my gosh, I'm so nervous. Hey guys! Ooh, that was definitely the most awkward intro to a video that I've ever done. Today I wanted to sit down and film an update for you guys, do just a little video telling you what's been going on in my life, where I've been. Obviously, from the title of this video, you can probably tell that I'm pregnant. So I can't even believe those words are coming out of my mouth right now. I'm still sort of wrapping my brain around it. And it's crazy. We're very excited. Josh and I are so excited. I am just about exactly 15 weeks along. So I'm due in October. I'm actually due on Josh's birthday on October 18th. So there's going to be 2 Libras running around this house. They're already ganging up on me. I'm really excited. It's just been sort of a whirlwind and we don't know the sex of the baby yet. I'm going to be finding out at 20 weeks, so a week before our wedding. So I think what we're going to end up doing is giving the gender results to our cake maker, and then our wedding cake inside is going to be either blue or pink, and we'll just find out the gender along with the rest of our wedding guests. And I'm going to be extra nervous on my wedding day. At first Josh didn't want to know the gender, but I really did want to know because I want to be able to prepare and plan and rule out a lot of names and just focus on one set of names. So yeah, that is where I've been. I'm sorry I have been gone for so long. It's just been, my first trimester was crazy. Honestly, my first trimester hit me like a ton of bricks. No, it actually hit me like a freight train hauling a ton of bricks. I definitely got hit with I just want to call it pregnancy sickness. It wasn't even morning sickness because it was all day long. It actually got worse as the day went on. And I was just so sick. Oh my gosh, just thinking about it like takes me back, and I just can't even, I can't even think about it. It took all my energy and all my strength and my might just to get a shower because I was just that ill. I don't want to scare you guys out there if you haven't ever been pregnant yet. It doesn't happen to everybody. I have friends who didn't get sick at all, like my mom didn't get sick at all with me, and then I've had friends who are sick all the way through, and that is I only have one friend that happened to. It's very, very rare, but that I started getting really scared, like, is that gonna happen to me? Am I gonna feel this way for 9 months straight? Because to be honest, I went through the cry eating phase. That's a fun phase, and I got to the point where I just started feeling a little down because I felt like I was weak, that I couldn't push through it. You know, when you feel like you've had the worst hangover of your life for 6 weeks straight and you can't clean and you can't film and you just can't, you're not you. I was seriously a shell of a human at that point. And you start to wonder, is this gonna end? And can it get better soon? Please. But luckily, I'm now in my 2nd trimester. I feel so much better. I am like a new woman. It's like night and day. I'm definitely in the nesting phase. I'm ready. I'm like, let's do this. I want to get ready for this baby. I want to get this house in tip-top shape, and I just have so much energy and I'm so happy. And it's kind of nice because like spring is really here now, so it's warm outside and it just feels like a new, like life has been breathed back into me. I'm super fortunate that what I do allows me to take a little bit of time off like that. I mean, my heart goes out to women out there who are like throwing up in their cubicle trash can, or especially if they have other little kids to take care of and run after when they're early on and they're feeling sick, and it's just a horrible, horrible feeling. So, but at the same time, I don't want you guys to think I was just sitting around here like doing cartwheels. It weighs on my mind so much when I'm not uploading, especially in this day and age of YouTube. You know, you have to keep putting out content in order to stay relevant and have your channel continue. So it was always in the back of my mind. It was always weighing really heavy on me. That kind of stressed me out a lot too during the first trimester because I knew I just wasn't putting out videos, and I was just worried that, you know, you guys were gonna wonder where I am. Like, I couldn't really tell anybody what was going on. So it was just a little bit of a crazy time, but I'm just so happy that things are progressing and moving along, and I'm just out of that dark period. So yeah, so now that I've moved out of feeling like a zombie, I'm actually starting to really like being pregnant. First of all, people are so nice to you. It's awesome. Second of all, you know, I'm just eating a lot. That's great. Yesterday, I ate a big fat greasy cheeseburger sitting in my car in the parking lot of Home Depot. So that was a highlight of my week. I'm just kind of settling into it. I'm getting really excited. When I found out, it was kind of crazy because Josh was on his bachelor trip in Cartagena, Colombia. So I was here by myself and I had just been feeling really weird for a while. Like I was noticing just some weird things, like my boobs were really big. And I had about 4 or 5 days in a row where I just woke up in the middle of the night drenched in sweat, you guys. I mean, soaked in sweat. It was like I was sitting in a sauna. And I thought, that's a little odd. So, you know, all these things are happening and I just thought I need to go get a test. So I came home, was by myself, and I got one of the tests that just say like it's a digital one. It just says pregnant or not pregnant. So I did it, and then I was kind of like doing little things around the bathroom. I don't know what I was doing. Not expecting for it to be positive at all. And I wish I had a picture or a video or some sort of image of my face when I read the results, because there was no denying it. It wasn't even a line or 2 little lines. Like it flat out said, "You're pregnant, girl," on the thing. There was no denying it, and I felt myself do a triple take, and then I just immediately went into the Kim Kardashian cry. Just started sobbing. I don't even know. It wasn't even like happy tears. It wasn't sad tears. It was just pure and utter shock and terror. And I mean, you know, the happiness came on later, but I was just so shocked. I just could not believe it. We were planning on trying for a baby later on this year, after the bachelorette party, after the wedding, after the honeymoon. But sometimes life has its way of just dropping little presents on you. And so I did not even know what to do with myself. I was walking around sweating even more, just pacing around my house. So I called my mom, of course, first person I called. She's like, "It's Allison, it's okay. You're 32, it's fine." And I'm like, "Oh, you're right. It's fine." So then I called Josh's mom, then I called my best friends, and then I started getting excited. And then I started getting really excited. And he actually came home like the next night from his bachelor trip, and I didn't want to tell him that night because he was really tired. I didn't know how he would react, but he told me the whole night I was under the covers just looking at him, giggling at him like, I had a secret, like a little elf or something. And then the next morning, this was 2 days before Valentine's Day, well, the day before Valentine's Day, I made him open his Valentine's Day card early. He said that was a dead giveaway, like, "Open it." And I wrote some sort of little poem in there, you know, like roses are red, violets are blue, we're having a kid. And it sounded a little bit better than that though. And I thought he was gonna flip out and pass out. He seriously was cool as a cucumber. He was so happy and excited and relaxed, and that just eased all of my worries. And yeah, so here we are. So we were both very, very excited. And what else can I say? Having a baby is such a big lifestyle change. Immediately, right away, you have all these hormones, all these emotions, and your life changes. You know, there's no more cocktails or happy hours, or there's certain things you can't eat and stuff like that. And so you get to thinking about, I feel like I've been a lot more sentimental lately, and I've been thinking about like memories of my childhood, and because I feel like in a way that part of my life is almost coming to an end, because now I'm going to be responsible for another human being, and that's a really big deal. So that's a really big deal. Wow. I'm just realizing that. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really kind of scared. I'm a little bit, I mean, I'm very, very happy. I don't want to make it seem like I am so excited, but you know, I don't know exactly how I'm gonna manage everything with videos and a baby, and I don't know, it just seems like so much I give props to all the moms out there who have a child, multiple children, pets, single moms. I'm thinking about it now, and I have no idea how I'm gonna do it. But my mom had really great advice for me. She pretty much said, nobody ever knows how they're gonna do it. You can Google all you want, you can plan all you want, you can think you're planning all you want, but the bottom line is nobody's ever truly ready for a baby. You just figure it out as you go, and you just take it day by day, and you do the best you can. So that's my plan, and I'm sticking to it. So that is pretty much it, you guys. I just want you to know that I love you. I've been thinking about this day, filming this video and sharing this news with you every single day since I found out I was pregnant. So one of my dearest friends the other day, she said to me, like, when you tell someone else about something exciting in your life, it just doubles your joy. And I feel like right now there's so many of you, it must be multiplying the joy by thousands. I just feel so excited. I'm like bursting at the seams. And when it comes to makeup, like I said, I have so much new energy. This is amazing. I feel like I've been doing my makeup every day and doing all these creative, colorful looks and stuff, and I'm just really excited. I'm trying to take advantage of the time that I have now to, you know, really have fun and playing around with my makeup. I went to Sephora the other day, I went to Ulta the other day, and I went to the drugstore. So I have so many new things to show you. I almost was thinking of just doing a week straight of just haul videos. I don't know if that's too much, if that's a little bit like, whoa, calm down. It's a lot of hauls. But if you guys want to see that, just to get us back into things, let me know, because I am really excited to show you the products that I got. I also want to do a favorites video soon. I have so many exciting things that I have been using and I already know I love that I want to show you guys. So yeah, that is kind of what is in the near future for us. I love you guys so dang much. Words can't even describe. So thank you for watching. How do you end a video like this? I have no idea. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.